Fanuc has an abundant lineup of robots, ranging from the Delta robot with a payload of 500 grams to the super heavy payload robot with a payload of 2.3 tons. The total number of robots produced has exceeded 800,000 units. By combining intelligent features such as vision sensors, force sensors, and acceleration sensors, Fanuc robots support the robotization of factories. Spot welding robots are the best sellers in the robot lineup. Fanuc spot welding robots are best sellers. Welding cables and water hoses are embedded in the arm of the latest models, so that work can be performed at maximum proximity without having to worry about cables or pipes touching the car body. Fanuc arc welding robots can be connected to various welding power supplies. Weld conditions can be adjusted depending on the characteristics of the workpiece to achieve high-quality welds. Robots are also used for laser machining. By using high-precision robots for laser cutting, complicated shapes can be formed. With laser welding, robots and positioners synchronize to achieve high-precision welding. A large variety of Fanuc robots are used for handling and assembling. The Scara robots are 4-axis robots. They can move, align, or assemble various parts at high speeds. The uniquely configured Delta robots are lightweight and compact, high-speed robots. Fanuc robots are also used in logistics. Vision sensors ensure that packages can be picked up, even if they are shifted out of place. The super heavy payload robot M2000IA can handle parts weighing more than 2 tons. The robot performs work that previously had to be done by a crane or dedicated lifting equipment. Robots can be used for washing, painting, and other tasks which are conducted in environments which are harsh for humans. This is another example of the advantages of robotizing factories. Collaborative robots employ a new concept with which the movement of a robot stops safely when the robot comes into contact with a human, eliminating the need for safety fences. Collaborative robots which can work alongside humans paves the way for a new age of factory automation. The CRX stops safely when it comes into contact with humans, even lightly. The motions can be taught easily with the direct teach method, where the robot's arm is directly held and moved according to the desired motion. With direct teach, the CRX can be automated easily for welding. Also, by using a tablet, which most users are familiar with, the CRX can be used immediately, even by first-time users. Mobilizing a robot by mounting it on an AGV or cart broadens the range of applications. Fanuc vision sensors act as the eyes of robots, allowing them to detect and pick up parts from a random pile. There is no need to pre-arrange the position of parts, as they can skillfully be picked up directly from boxes or containers. The force sensor can enable a robot to perform an assembly task, such as assembling gears, while confirming the applied forces. Tasks which were dependent on human senses and experience can now be robotized.